relaxing game, let me ask you something. Okay, what is the reason why are we here in Jollibee? Ano yung reason bakit tayo nandito? Kasi? Okay, Ethan, kasi ano? Of course, birthday ni Ate Shi. Palakpakan naman natin si Ethan. And now, our first game will be related to Ma'am Shi's birthday celebration. Okay, all you have to do is to give Tita or Ate Chi a happy birthday as longer as you can. Okay, just like this. Happy birthday, Tita Chi! And kung sino yung mahaba ang greetings will receive this one, okay? A loot bag from Jollibee. Okay, what's this? Dapat manalo para makuha ninyo to. So, are we clear, kids? Nagkakaintindihan ba tayo?